A new panel of prosecutors is set to review an earlier decision by the DOJ colleagues to junk the charges filed against several high-profile drug personalities. Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II also directed the NBI to look into the possible administrative liabilities of the members of the prosecution panel that dismissed the cases against suspected drug dealers Kerwin Espinosa, Peter Lim, and several others. The details of this report from Kenneth Paciente.
DOJ directed the NBI to conduct its investigation on the members of the National Prosecution Service regarding their dismissal of drug complaints versus Peter Lim, Kerwin Espinosa, and others. On the strength of Department Order No. 152, DOJ ordered and granted the NBI the authority to conduct case build-up to determine possible violations of the law by the panel in its decision. The charge of violation of Republic Act 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act was then dismissed by the panel due to lack of evidence. The resolution was signed by Assistant State Prosecutors Michael Jan Humarang and Aristotel Reyes and was approved by OIC Senior Deputy State Prosecutor Rosendel Rex Gingoyon and Acting Prosecutor General George Catalan. NBI made sure that they will do their job to shed light on this case.
We have to know which investigating unit will be tasked to handle this. But we will, yes, we will pursue that upon the directive of the Secretary.
While the investigation is ongoing, another prosecutorial panel was formed to resolve the motion for reconsideration filed by the PNP-CIDG because of the dismissal of the case against the accused. Members will include Senior Assistant State Prosecutor Juan Pedro Navera, Assistant State Prosecutor Ana Norin de Vanadera, and Prosecution Attorney Herbert Calvin Abugan. Senior Deputy State Prosecutor Richard Anthony Fadulyon will be the Acting Prosecutor General of the panel to review the case. Meanwhile, Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission will also review the resolution.
We will see the evidences on both sides and how their arguments, and at the same time how they conducted the resolution or the decision or the dismissal.
Justice Secretary Aguirre II earlier asserted that the dismissal of the case is not yet final or executory and will have to undergo automatic review by his office. Kenneth Paciente for The Nation.